Most data stacks weren't built for what AI demands today. They were built for reporting, batch pipelines, scheduled jobs, on-premise warehouses that made sense a decade ago. Now every AI initiative runs into the same problem. The foundation can't support it. Databricks fixes that. One platform for data engineering, analytics, and machine learning, structured and unstructured data, streaming and batch, production ML, all in one place. But migrating off legacy platforms is where most projects stall. Years of business logic sitting inside Informatica workflows. Production pipelines you can't afford to break. Teams stretched across a migration that drags on for months. Whether you're migrating to Databricks or adding it as a new layer on top of what you have, we've done both. Kanerika is a certified Databricks partner. We've delivered migrations across healthcare, financial services, manufacturing, and retail. Our framework scans your existing pipelines, converts ETL logic to Spark native workflows, validates every output, and handles cutover with minimal downtime and no manual recoding. Clients have cut data handling costs by 38%, improved reporting accuracy by 71%, and processed documents 80% faster after migrating. If you're planning a migration or just figuring out where Databricks fits in your stack, start with a free assessment. We'll map it out. Book at www.kanerika.com/meet.